Action! The Bird Bros.
Delicious Bird Bros.
Part 2 of the Tobermory episodes.
So we're at the cliffs here in Tobermory. They are super high overlooking Georgian Bay. And it's a beautiful day. Sun is there. We got Kevin and we got Sean. That's me.
You know what a high cliff means? A great view.
That's correct. Oh, it's a long way down there, boys.
I wonder if there's any birds out here.
Oh, don't fall, John.
It's getting really windy out here. Ah!
I don't know what I'm going to do without John.
It's alright, Sean. I didn't die.
Why this frog here? Why, it's a northern leopard frog. I bet you can guess why it's called that.
Don't you know?
Because of the dots. In case you didn't get it.
Look, John, look, right here, John.
What?
Look back.
It's an American bittern.
The American bittern eats frogs, fish, crayfish, snakes. Oh, does eat snakes? Amphibians, insects. And it flies where?
Flies in the air, not underground or underwater.
It is strictly an earthbound air flyer.
They like to camouflage themselves by sticking their heads straight up in the air and pretending to be a piece of grass.
John, I got some American Bittern audio here. Over.
Oh, these bitterns make a weird sound. Kind of sounds like goom goom, goom goom, goom goom. Look at those freaky eyes looking downwards. Almost looks like he's cross-eyed.
The American bittern's eyes have evolved to be in a downward formation to help them see their prey.
Thank you, evolution. Can't get past the Bird Bros' keen eyes. Oh, it's moving.
So, that was the secretive American bittern.
Yeah. It's got the coolest call. It's like dripping water almost. Like this. That was the American bittern call.
Crazy cool bird, never seen one.
Tobermory, beautiful landscapes everywhere.
Hey guys! Just enjoying the lawn chairs and now we see a bird! We gotta go find the bird! What's that? What's that?
Oh, it's over there now.
Oh, go get it, John!
Where is that?
Oh, it's a tern!
It's the Caspian tern.
Terns are different than gulls in the ways that their bodies are shaped. They're more streamlined with their bills.
The black legs and large size are great determinations that this is a Caspian tern.
Man, you should have seen that bird.
That bird was so crazy! What a crazy bird!
Hey Sean, do you know what this cool orange butterfly is?
Yes, John, we got an identification on that butterfly. It is a Freya fritillary. It is one of the earliest butterflies to be seen in the spring.
The trails are a bit rocky, but we ain't stopping.
What's that look like, guys?
And this is a monarch butterfly.
Yeah, hundreds of them flying throughout the air, heading back south. The trails here are wicked awesome.
You guys should check it out sometime because it is so worth the hike. Good evening. The sun is going down.
over this beautiful land of Tobermory, and we were blessed with plenty of beautiful bird. Tomorrow morning, we're going to the grotto with our friends.
And looking for birds.
That's right, they have friends. No comment.
They're my friends.
That's questionable.
We'll have to explore the Hammock Island.
Giant river duck.
Is that a powerboat?
Yeah, it's a giant rattlesnake. Maybe this is American bittern.
We should race each other. You should have a bird.
Creeper.
We got some ducks here of the domestic variety.
This is our campsite.
I love food. See that bird?
That's a black-throated green warbler.
A juvenile?
A juvenile. As you can see, it's all fresh looking.
Yeah, you can tell.
And let the fly battle commence!
Wake up, guys! Wake up!
Morning here for the Bird Bros. We just woke up. Camp is getting going.
Saw some cedar waxwings. 10
Right
of them.
over there.
Cedar waxwing.
Yep. And there's my belly button needs to be cleaned a bit.
Yellow tip on the tail.
Oh, look at this guy. See any birds, Sean?
Oh, I think I saw a gull over there. Oh, look at the gull right there.
Oh yeah, juvenile? That's a juvenile rainbow gull.
Oh, with that black stripe around its bill. It's kind of easy to tell.
Nice find, Sean.
And now we've made it here to the grotto.
We are inside the grotto.
Here at the Bird Bros, we like to look at the birds, but we also like to have fun. And this is how we have fun, guys. Look at Bird Bros! Fun! The Bird Bros!
And that was another episode of the Bird Bros.
Voice of an angel.
Oh wait,
Before we leave,
And then as we were leaving, this guy's like, hey, come look, these snapping turtles are giving birth.
Holy crap!
These snapping turtles are hatching.
Holy crow! That's so cool! I've never seen the baby snappers.
turtles give birth.
No.
They don't give live birth. Snapping turtles don't give live birth. They have eggs. And those little baby turtles hatch from the eggs and try to dig their way out of the ground.
Yeah, and then find the closest water.
So these guys are being watched by the conservation area because the people know where the eggs were laid. And now that they're being hatched, the nice people are collecting them to bring them safely to a proper environment.
To help save little baby turtle lives.
I love turtles, John.
Because they're adorable, that's why.
I love turtles.
Just because they're cute and awesome and... Woo!
Well, that's all for the Bird Bros. Love ya.
bye.